life, we consume lot of packaged food stuff like jams, sauces, pickles, juices, etc. Once consumed, after usage, we either use in kitchen for dry storage or throw in dustbins, leading to increase in garbage. Why can't we upcycle to decorate our homes, offices or living areas? Good morning to everybody. I am Deepashri Ramohan. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing an idea how to reuse bottles which are easily available. Come, join us to reuse and contribute for zero waste by making creative stuff. Come, let's make a simple and beautiful transformation of an old bottle. Bottle using a sponge. This gives a crackle effect and let it dry completely for few minutes. Give a touch work wherever the paint has been left. In this method, I am using this napkin. We'll be using a wet brush to cut the designs. Use fingers to cut the design. This method gives a good and smooth finish finally. Look for correct measurements before pasting. Take a glue and apply on selected area. Remove air bubbles and let it dry. Paste the design smoothly and give a coat of glue on the design area. Last step is to give a coat of varnish. A coat of varnish gives glossy and glow to the final product. Don't forget to give varnish to the complete bottle. Please decorate with bow and beads. Hope you all like my craft work. Thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.